Today's Sunday, Rachel's Car Show over here in Castleberry. Got a few cars coming in right now. Just going to do a quick walk around of some of the cars here.
Struck by a comet.
Oh boy, they got music playing. I might get copyrighted. This is not my music. I do not own the rights to this music. Don't copyright me. I'm just gonna try to keep talking over the music while they're playing the music, but I'm gonna go up to about here right now. I'm gonna go around the back side, and then we'll see other cars in the back. But it's still early yet. We still got another 30-40 minutes before the show starts. We're over here at Rachel's. They have the show here Sundays. Not every Sunday, but one Sunday a month. Let me go up on the right side here. All right, good. There you go. They stopped playing music. Then I'm going to take a walk around the building, see what they got.
You open here, I go my operations free. Oh, really?
This whole lot will be packed. We still got some open spots early right now, but they should have the whole lot packed. We'll have even more parking back here. Again, oh, more music. I don't own the rights to this music. Don't flag me. Got some Fox bodies over here, New Edge. Oh boy. They're gonna copyright me. Waiting on the copyright strike coming up. So right now, that's all we got so far. I'm gonna try to take another video a little bit more later. But when it gets packed, I'll take another video. All right, guys. We'll see you shortly. Talk to you later. Bye.